Hey everybody, this is H2O Formula. Sorry I haven't been making any videos lately, but I've been very busy, and that's a very lame excuse, but I'm going to try to get back on track. And I've reviewed my videos lately, and I've seen that I've spent a decent amount of time showing everyone how to turn a rectangular piece of paper into a square sheet of paper. So right now, I'm just going to make one video on it, and on my next videos, I'm just going to go straight into this paper. So now you know. Alright, the first step we're going to do is we're going to take this 11" by 8.5" paper, and this can also work with any other paper that's a rectangle. Alright, it should work. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to take the top part of the paper and we're going to fold it down to the other side of the paper. And this can also work the other way around. So I'm going to do the other way around since I'm right-handed. Alright, we're going to fold it down, and we're going to line this folded part we just took, and we're going to line it to the second part down low. And we're just going to try to keep, we're trying to keep everything on the line here. So let me try to get that. And the key thing is to, when you're folding the paper, try not to get the folded part over the second piece of paper, which is the bottom paper, and try to not get, don't fold it right here, because that's not going to be a very good piece of paper you're going to make. Alright, so right now what we have are this piece of paper, and you can see that there is a very good point right here, and that's what you're trying to aim for. And the next part is we're just trying to get this all on one line. Alright, now the next part, you can use scissors. You can just take the scissors and just cut upon this, but I like to fold it since folding makes it a lot more straight and efficient. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're taking this, we're going to flip it over, and we're going to bring this bottom part to the top, so bring it up here. You can see that when we fold it, we want this folded part to land on this bottom part. And since you're folding it, it's not, if we went right on the line and folded it, it would have went over it just a little bit. So a key thing is to move up a little bit more than usual and then fold down. And a key thing is try to get this folded on as well. Alright, and if you want a really good piece of paper, you're going to crease really good. And we're going to unfold and just flip it over. And we're going to do the same thing. And as you folded it before, it should kind of naturally let you fall upon this part. And you're going to give it a good crease. And I'd recommend doing this just 2 more times each side. Then 1 more. Alright. So now what I'm going to do is we can take it off. Either side is good. We can take here, behind here, it doesn't matter. But I'm just going to use behind right now. Alright. So you can see here, there is a crease that we've created. Now, what you can do is you can just tear it apart using, both your hands. But sometimes that doesn't work for me, and they'll just be like a rip right here and not on the crease. So sometimes I do is I'll take my fingers and I'll just rip just a little bit apart, so it's kind of like a guideline. And I'm just gonna see this fold, not fold, but just pull this apart. And don't pull this part off too fast, because if you do, you're gonna take this part off. So nice and light. And there we go. And this should be your square sheet of paper. It can also be considered as origami paper, but I don't think anyone calls it that. And from this point, you can usually do any origami design. So thank you guys for watching. Rate the video, comment, and subscribe if you want to see updated videos. Alright, thanks. See ya.